In today's video, we're going to talk about laces, how to tie and how to lace them. First of all, we will explain how we lace shoes here at Carmina. That will offer you an easy way to tighten and fit the laces harmoniously. And then, we will illustrate some different ways to tie the shoelaces in order to add that special and fun touch to your day-to-day life. Carmina style. Let's start with Carmina's method to lace tying. For this method, we're going to start by inserting the cords into the last row of eyelets from the outside in and pull. Then the right cord crosses the inside to the left side and returns straight to the right side. The left cord crosses inside to the right and returns straight to the left side. The right cord crosses back inside to the left and goes straight back to the right side. Then the left cord crosses back inside to the right and returns straight to the left. This is how we tie the shoes. We then untie the last lace and the other one will cross over the inside to the left. Now it's time to match the laces. The left lace is tightened with the second and fourth row of the eyelets. And the right cord is tightened with the third row of eyelets. If we now pull the last row, the fourth and second rows, we can pass part of the right cord to the left. We then check the length of the laces and finish adjusting. And now we just need to finish with a loop and we would have it. Different ways of lacing a shoe. Bar lacing 1. In this case, insert the cords into the last row of eyelets. From the outside in and pull. Then the cord on the left goes to the third available eyelet on the right, and the cord that was on the right goes up one level on the inside. The right cord crosses straight over to the left side and returns to the right to the next available eyelet. The left cord will pass straight to the left side and cross back to the right to the next available eyelet. Finally, the right cord will pass straight to the left and go up one level on the inside on the same side. Finish with a loop. bar lacing 2. In this case, insert the laces in the last row of eyelets, from the outside in, and pull. Then the cord on the right side will go up one level on the inside and cross over to the left side. The cord on the left will go up 2 levels on the inside and cross straight to the right side and exit in the first row of eyelets. The cord on the left will go up 2 levels on the inside and cross straight to the right side, and then exit in the first row of eyelets. Adjust the cords and finish with a loop. Bar decorative lacing. In this case, insert one cord into the first eyelet on the right side and the other cord into the last eyelet on the left. Make sure to leave the right side shorter. The left cord will go straight through the right and the cord will go underneath it. Now we will insert the cord into the next available eyelet on the left side from the inside out. Now repeat these steps for the entire shoe. And as always, finish with a loop. Cross lacing. For this method, insert the laces in the last row of eyelets, from the inside out, and pull. Insert the laces in the last row, from the outside to the inside, and pull. We cross the loops and repeat these steps for the entire shoe. And as always, finish with a loop. double cross. For this method, insert the laces in the last row of eyelets, from the inside out, and pull. Then, cross the loops and go up one level on the inside. Repeat and finish with a loop. Whiskers. For this knot, we will use a thinner cord for aesthetic reasons. Insert the cords in the last row from the outside to the inside and pull. Cross the loops. With the left cord, pass under the center of the cross and pass the cord through the loop we have already created. Repeat with the right cords and go up one level on the inside. Cross the loops and repeat the knot of the previous step on both sides. Then go up one level and finish with a loop. The lattice. In this case, insert the laces in the last row of eyelets from the inside out and pull. The cord on the left will move on to the right side, moving up 2 levels, then down 1 level. Repeat with the right side cord on the left. The cord on the left will pass to the right side to the next available eyelet and go up one level on the inside. Repeat with the right side cord on the left side. Finish with a loop. Scales lacing. For this one, insert the laces in the penultimate row of eyelets, inside out, and pull. We go down one level on both sides and then outside. With the left cord, we cross over to the right side in the next available eyelet. Repeat with the other cord. Now, with the left cord, we go through the loop created below and cross over to the other side to the next available eyelet. Repeat with the other cord too. Then go back through the lower loop and cross to the opposite side from the inside to the outside. And as always, remember to finish with a loop.